Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the incredible Kawasaki Ninja H2R, one of the most powerful and fastest motorcycles ever built. Let's explore what makes this superbike a true engineering masterpiece. Design and styling. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R features an aggressive aerodynamic design with carbon fiber bodywork and winglets that help improve stability at high speeds. Its futuristic appearance instantly sets it apart from ordinary motorcycles. Engine and performance. At the heart of the H2R is a 998 cubic centimeters supercharged inline-4 engine that produces over 300 horsepower. This immense power allows the bike to achieve breathtaking acceleration and extremely high top speeds, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles in the world. Technology and features. The Ninja H2R comes equipped with advanced electronics, including traction control, launch control, engine braking management, and multiple riding modes. These systems help riders manage the bike's incredible power safely and effectively. Riding experience. Built exclusively for track use, the H2R delivers an unmatched riding experience. Its responsive throttle, sharp handling, and explosive acceleration provide a level of excitement that few motorcycles can match. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a symbol of speed, innovation, and engineering excellence. For motorcycle enthusiasts, it represents the ultimate dream machine. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing bike content.